Today we'll be having the pleasure of speaking to Susan Libatique with the Connecticut Department of Transportation, project manager of the Highway Design Division. And she's going to be telling us about upcoming expansion projects on the highway affecting the Wallingford roads. Welcome, Susan.
Thank you very much.
It's nice to have you here.
Thank you. First of all, I would like to say that this project is actually located at the northbound direction of Route 15 at exit 65 in Wallingford.
Tell us, what is your specific responsibility with the Department of Transportation in Connecticut?
I am the project manager for project 148-200, and my responsibility is to perform the administrative and financial aspects of the project, which means that I monitor the schedule of the project to make sure that it gets completed on time. And if not, then reschedule the project. I also monitor the costs and coordinate with our finance department to ensure that we have funding available for the design and construction of the project. I also provide technical assistance and procedural guidance to the engineers performing the design of the project, as well as review their work as necessary.
Why has this project become necessary at this time?
Well, the purpose of this project is to address the crashes that are occurring at the on-ramp onto northbound Route 15, and also improve traffic flow. The project was initiated at the request of the town because of the location of the existing on-ramp and the length of the on-ramp. It can only carry approximately 6 cars, and that creates a backup onto River Road as well as onto Hall Avenue. The on-ramp is stop controlled, so the drivers have a hard time merging with the mainline traffic, resulting in rear-end crashes at the on-ramp. So we looked at this location and we initiated this project. This is an isolated area, so essentially Wallingford residents will be the main beneficiary for this particular project.
Are there any impacts on private properties or businesses as a result of this project? And if there are, how are they being resolved by the DOT?
There will be one property that will be affected by the proposed improvements. We are widening Hall Avenue, which is Route 150, to provide for a right turn lane onto the on-ramp. And because of that, we are going to require a sliver acquisition from the Community Lake Park property to provide for that widening, the relocation of the sidewalk, and also the placement of new sidewalks between the driveway of the Community Lake Park and the new on-ramp location. This project is still in the preliminary design phase, so we will be conducting a public informational meeting to present the proposed improvements to the community and get their feedback. And we will be coordinating with the Community Lake Park property owner with regards to the required acquisition.
Now, you just said this project is under preliminary stages. Who is funding this project, and are you going to place a bid for contracts so contractors can get involved in this, or do you have specific contractors that you're going to prefer working with as far as this project is concerned?
This project is going to be funded with federal and state funds. It's funded with 90% federal funds and 10% state funds. It is in the preliminary design phase, so no contractors are involved at this time. Once the project is completed and it's going to be put out to bid, and there will be opportunities for contractors to bid on the project.
And when are we looking to put the project out for bidding by contractors?
We are anticipating the project to be completed in 2015. That will be the time when the project will be advertised as well, and we anticipate construction of the project in 2016.
So the estimated completion of this project is going to be in 2016?
The construction, the majority of the construction will be during the 2016 construction season. It will probably go over to 2017 to finish up the miscellaneous items that we need to do, and probably do the planting and the landscaping will be done in the spring of the following year.
So when this project is done and finished, I know you mentioned some of the benefits like prevention of rear end accidents and other things like that, but what would be the most significant benefit to Wallingford?
I believe that the traffic flow will be improved because now we're eliminating the on-ramp, the existing on-ramp location, which is very close to the intersection of Route 15 and River Road. So by removing that and placing that on Hall Avenue at the grade intersection with Hall Avenue, just east of the bridge carrying Hall Avenue over Route 15, the traffic flow will be improved at that area. And of course, the rear end type crashes, now that we're eliminating the stop control on-ramp and we're providing for an on-ramp that will provide drivers to accelerate and merge with the Route 15 mainline traffic safely.
This is the section of the highway that Suzanne and I have been talking about, and as Suzanne revealed to me, work is anticipated to begin in 2016, and when it's completed, the hope is to ease the traffic flow and to reduce the rear-end collision. This has been Aurelio Fori, and thanks for watching.